Lanoue Chevrolet is pleased to offer you this Premier Edition 2018 Chevrolet Equinox. The striking exterior of the Equinox features aerodynamic sculpting and signature LED daytime running lamps and projector-style headlights to give you dependable visibility. Inside, you're surrounded by style with black leather seating and stitched accents with front heated seating and rear heated seats, with all of the power options you'd expect from a Premier Edition Equinox with push-button start. The dual cockpit design features an integrated center stack, so everything is right within reach. Looking up to reveal a large moonroof. The MyLink infotainment system features available SiriusXM, OnStar, smartphone connectivity, and a rear backup camera with surround vision, parking sensors, and full Bose sound with a wireless charging station. Not only does this four-door Equinox feature roomy rear seating, behind the seats is a generous amount of storage space. Efficiency and power provided by a 2-liter turbo Ecotec engine connected to a 6-speed automatic transmission with an installed trailer hitch. The silver 5-spoke rims add to the sporty look, while tasteful chrome accents, HD projector-style lighting, chromed mirrors, and hand-painted pinstriping make for a one-of-a-kind SUV you won't find anywhere else. There are too many features to list in this short video, so what are you waiting for? Come and see this 2018 Chevrolet Equinox Premier Edition for yourself today at your destination dealership, Lanoue Chevrolet, here at the Tilbury Auto Mall.